And it is a CD one some na okay. Me IT for the chess CD room no space no how the CD no kwa hye no. Na CD no a power kit one na wo ka no. Na ye koye ni mu no. Mpedifo dodo no akere mo adwen se. Eya wo orasi edu nketia.
Na bi utie minia.
Aja.
Space na wo de apawa no kwa hye mu no. That space no nanka ye mepa jam na kire ko to dan mu hana.
Eni sa wo kire.
Na nya apawa ketua no na wo di information no gu so.
Ai.
Na say na o ti yen konkon ha na ni mienu de o he na wo pete ye ko he.
Eni aji se ehu na ebisa no.
Na de wo di serve no. Enti afidie no na o de ko serve ya na say na pa wan ketua no o de ko serve.
Eni aji se ebisa ba omia.
Mini aja na ebja kamenya itia.
Na general Benifo do no akire o ma de
unim
nitie o
enti we say no ye kan we wi a ye bi ye toto na no wi a na fe na ye ba be ko se electoral commission lawyer no so ono so ba be fa asem no na ono so atoto ba umia no esan se charges ya wabo a ebi fa President Mahama ho no eno na President Mahama lawyer etoto na no wo ho enti owia na we so a friend say electoral commission lawyer ono so aba na eno kura no ebe tan ya chen we kura esan se President Mahama de ni charges e wo mu no ejeda anye charge bia
general
akwesa dansie no kwa kudi no wia na fe so ye NDC so ye lawyer na ono so abetoto na no enti owia no so a na eye President Mahama na Musini abegina ho obonkro wia na omo so wo lawyer atoto na no ansa na Dr. Farija so wabebo nkura kyerɛkyerɛ election no mu sɛdeɛ ɛno so sitie ɛno nti yɛkɔ no a no wobɛhu sɛ da biara yɛbɛkɔ court biara no na ayi no wɔn charges no na ɛkɔ fam
general ne krakra no mini wia ne sa Benifo dodo no akyerɛ wɔn adwen kyerɛ sɛ yɛn nsɛntwerɛfoɔ no nie ɛkwan a yɛfa so a asɛm yi yɛbɔ ho dawuro no wɔn ani nyew ne titiri wo awurasi edu nketea wo ne sɛ John sa asɛm ne bɛkɔ na wie na yɛn nsɛntwerɛfoɔ yɛafrɛ mo na yɛbisa mo a yɛtoto mo ano ne yɛbisa ho asɛm no mo ahwɛ yɛ mo bɛbɔ ɔman owura kwaku baako aka bi owura lawyer Samkujo to aka bi ya wɔkyerɛ sɛ saa de ne kora no yɛnyae wadwen kyerɛ wɔ saa asɛm ho ne sɛ
me madwen kyerɛ ne sɛ uhunu ade no sɛ ɛnyɛ ade a ɛba television so a ɛno deɛ nka obi betime agyina baabi aka sɛ nipa yi agye akyinye nti nyɛ deɛ si hɔ ni na me deɛ yɛ a mehwehwɛ ne sɛ deɛ mohunu wɔ television hɔ no mofrɛ me na mobisa me a monka sɛ yɛhu wei wɔ television so na deɛ wokan ɛne no bɔ abira anaa sɛ John anaa obi foforɔ kasa wɔ MPP mu a mommisa no sɛ yɛhu wei wɔ television so na deɛ wowo kan ene no ebo abira yebehun de oka nokre ne de onka nokre enti the fact is say MPP for comment wo ho na me so me comment wo ho no the fact is say yemienu comment wo ho no enkyere say yemienu nyina sabe ye ka de enimu me jitum say de e ko ho krogin na me ka no enu nti me de ni baje ho say obi behwe de wo ekoso wo television no so no betimi abisa question say de wo kan yi enye no na fi television no so na say yenim say ye kan asem na say jo anani pa foforo bi anagori akufu o kata mo bisa say de wo kan say sa na ti a den na television ye hu no say wo so mo yesa mo be hu de o kan nokre ene de on kan nokre wo be kai a na no yekasa wie ya meme ka se nkofo no ntem a wo mo de aba no atrosem bebre ewo mu no Gloria Kufu, ebe kanu radio so de to net so ba bibia say me Asiedu Nketia, me a professional liar. Me pa cha o se hebi.
Me ana me ne kasa ye.
And I'm saying me de me ne sebe oba nya chinye se wo ke no kwafo ana we nya no pa. Na dem no koso no ano. Ye be hunu de o ka no kure ne de o nka no kure.
Uni oba nya chinye.
Me say me ne oba nko, say gentleman de oni oba nko.
No. Gentleman general.
No, uti.
Video.
Onko he entinra. Womo ekojitu mu se. Ensemo aye kan ye. Eye 11,900 ni akire no. Emu 7,000 de ye ne an ye de ba ye ba. Ya twa free ho. Na ode toto memen semo ameka. Ene de ono ankasa ne west womo lawyer no west ni say we have abandoned them. Also, at Nema would the Abba court, Abedin say what swear off the Atoso say, and someone who can charge your boy in a womb. Now, Ninansa, no Akojina say we have abandoned way, very charges way. Now, all the Toto, and then the Asiedu Nketia Canoa, the Odi Tron, the Okando Creno, Ubehu.
It is a drop on Koso and Moncasa.
Adentra, now, I say lawyer for one a woman. Ana lawyer for nkwana eto aba constitution no a yedi bu man no ebra ye pa ko kire no lawyer for nkambo mu ku a ewo man mu ka se wo mo ne nankwasefo eni wo mo eyetire eni ordinary people akuafo entimi ntra dan ba ko mu enkire constitution enti wo mo aboy koto enti wo man ko bi enti akuafo ne nankwasefo constitution no eno ne edi bu man asemu aba ho alayafo no kotu no court no na adwuma ye yayo me twere constitution no bio layafo e kasa nyina bebre si wo mo kuo no aba court wo mo nko na adan na me madwuma amaya ya ko court a ye kotu no wo se me nya lawyer di afa de me madwuma no mentimi nka ho asem bi na afa na wo lawyer ni a wa matwere bi no wo na wo ba ba cheche mu a kire Ghana fo
and in general, you better say na quick. You say yes, lawyer for no. Some of them no echo constituent assembly no in their personal capacities. Into na one more can be into. You be na GBA now call, but now lawyers for echo.
The lawyer for one more echo no. So call as this assembly representative or call as assemblyman. Into officially lawyer for say enko. Any a for ntimi. Any assemblyman for ntimi transfer. Yeni CDR ntimi ntrafaako yeni nankwasefo ntimi ntrafaako yeni akuafo ntimi ntrafaako na mekase nyankopɔ animonyam sɛ constitution sia abakɔ nyina a lawyer fo no twire bi no ebi antimi nyina sɛ nankwasefo constitution no ɛno na agina ene yedi ye adwuma nankwasefo ne abetwafo constitution ɛno na agina yedi ye adwuma enti sɛ me betwa ni na mekoka bia mo ma menka esan sɛ ye madwuma amaye ɛna minim ɛna menka bi
any one more mucha blocks one so constitution no
started na block ucha ma so
but yes you get your pay multi TV for that se papa so ni edin komo bichani Asiedu Nketia AK General Mosquito and I attend Kano. Sir John, who are home so? Sir John. Aja Machio.
Metumuswe bro. Na mo to say.
Ye boko de.
Saniema eko ye say de ye Nyankopon ye de na se. O twede ampon oni ye de ye papa. Say o de onipa ti say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eche Ghana man na ye MPP for so ye nya emuchefa ti insuranka ye funa ewo saba no
ye ni owura Asiedu Nketia kasa sisi a o kire say no mo ho kire mo papa Bawumia fifire te no na ye tsani a Yesu Kristo ye de na say eye Golgotha asedua no so na emfifire firi nti se moja toa say pem etoto form na den na mo ye Bawumia sa
me da say kaba me di kai amze Yesu Kristo was in Tampia no muno enumu na inya ya yaresa enti moja efiri yesu no na niema papa edi akire eba saa papa na sase di nketia mu se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fifiri no eye niema papa na efiri akire eba ese bibia obeye bia no a ebeye bia no jese obre if say yakọ ekon ni mo no yenim say ekon no sabenya ko a emre na so nam say bamman sin so mu asa no hamti no yes ye bo say ye ne awurade bekasa eno nti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abrantie enra se nansane ne ujian na so ba donjure sa insia se woche enra ujian na so sa wan trase donjure insia eko eduka ne yerubo mu a wo yakobe donjure dumienu donjure dunai a ujian na so no kasa no na so se bema ene kasa na misano na wo kire se wo ye abrantie a wa bin papa no nim de no nim nya woka na ensemu a wo cheche mu o sa o hwe ora Dr. Frejan nimu a na tia se Mahmoud Bawumia o kade no se chai Frejan o tia se chai to the leader a wo jama president no tia se chai a se litatia an ni se chikata no tiba na niama o ye ni se nya ni dana se Bawumia wa mu no trase
asema abeto abonten se enra Dr. Bawumia ne empenifo miensa a wo mo kan ne MPP4 mo ye madwe se mo kwa akodada court ayese mo de asuna kwa na ne achinchina krata ni bi wo ho a mo de bomu mienu na mo de koe sara na mo pese mo yo
da bi no krabianim nansa medro no obakaya nansa ne so mo be bi se some president say bia no ti bebe ba o ma aponchiachi ani tie bebre na chacho so abi kenya sa seven no ko ora Bawumia asenka te bi mu a wo chechi asem mu broni kan se wo de ka kan efan adanse a wo die no titra chi saka tani pese je ku adikro wo mu eti ye fa ni adanse ana ya lawyer force ya tie ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di adanse wakasa bi enda tata ba kwa wono so wasere edi aka dini afasa no hono enna se no mbo mutu na o manya tibere ba mbo ye mutu no na moje tu o mutu no enna de na e de ba no o se apre enna so de eni na no de so aya de kro abakro nsa o se abi jampre no woje adi na o hwemo no asa de foforo adi so awo evidence dada e se na no mo mbo mutu ama e jitu mu etibra judge for sorry ye ko ba ye no won da bi ye jitu mu a ye na etre wo fe yan so ye eniama NDC for aboto go tetuti kata aye so abin che wi ase de panyina no eniama oboto go aye edunkro saduonu emu ayi eduba nwotwe ati before ani ebu ama yen ba ko pa ani ebu ama no etisa internet obi ahu na some ye akoro na obi ehunu obi an ni ginabre obi ehunu ni ginabre eti bigi se yende se de ne ma kono eye na de ema asomwe yen se de owura Bawumia o tase no ba ko echechire mu no matisa se bi katie di ka wo kan se yan ye hyasie you see 11,916 asasai and you can want some after the you see am penny e ko tumpo dia togu and the kura wo mu ni se kaba me ana mse wo de ka 11,900 ana me say en kunta na me ni obuo no say the put the bone kunta no ay 11,138 naka sabi some previous asa ko anka obranya so atie e de o tinjina no a and dem me pale sa na ayasa akwada wo ko school no ko boki na kwase o prepare kwase bi na wo ko na ne logo afie na no ama na tinchina o so onye adon skrabe nye e bi say kwase sa o se ke ba no enye wo nya ba enye na ba dia ba no ya no e ano so o mutimi nya no e bi say it no ren na Tony later and someone was so ba o busa Bawumia no na Bawumia ya no da adoho e bi say e bla Bawumia 18 tim kata no o say ebi aya ye mienu eti yemi ankasa na ya dohu ayi mienu na firimu ami de baako na ebu nkonta no and now bedu 11,138 anuti yan ya de say yan fa de afrefe bia MFM CD-ROM no e da judge for ni mo no papa no a bibia ni mo no e na judge for ni mo eti tonalite wo buza kwase no a da for ho so da sa na wo mo kaka no so e se de ba o me kere say yes and ukre mienu ne kuta wo ya so ba ko pa ye de bon konta ma fa mienu e na so ma ben na mienu konta wo ho asem kilo me tesa se be ma fo no a mo ti asem na se no ti be de ba ko pa ne bon konta no se bu se bio o se be ba ko pa but the belly boy now 11,138 no wouldn't do up to be by almost a million and not 38 the not 38 they are not also one particular motea more new one to mobile and say 11,138 no we 38 go official for 100 crown I million 11,000 so and so when you be a mocha if you say somebody lawyer no come die for some that's the cover. So that question busa what in the examination and not it's not just the wardrobe san was over canon what I had an imbagasi one prepare and the man not the second or the bus so many no one or my you know about them yesterday and you know crowd here back up at the bonconta it is not number why and I judge for busa lawyer and say no crowd will baby ya ba mi ase ba ko pero di bongonta ana unya etumo nyankwa ni mo ozabi ba sebijaya wa ya asamba to me eti ya batu aso ni ya to aso ana no akuta buta na bibiri the Lord they were saved by the bell so box ya bon no bibiri ni abokran rogo transfer wo ko ni su bibiri ya benim se no o mo to papa e bi se ba mi a tre wo no mo do wo school obi a wo hwe bia nim se Ura Mahmoud Baumiano, ultimate examination and was because as what can I got some yaka and as my cano, I heard the Baku Kabako, I saying more and this was 1+1, A2, I felt 20. Baumia's 1+1, A2. And until I dear some pan, never was an Baumia, ever second. As a nurse, my Busarinano, no Yano. Now, my sister said, I just CD-ROM be or so on just enough. Now, Sunday. Well, judge for the busa and this for lawyer for the say. Other than the Munyan MPP for the Loma Kamano. No, with the Gunka so that in Timothy just so near the Abrayano. I don't know when you be. Over would not a crop. After a soft copy, would not a crop. Over any day. Not judge for our watch it in the move, the boarding. Just say, who almost say, one medical. It is no one. Just say, think at your CD-ROM, one medical. And she can say, but we are so very fresh, over him. Naka wakakai if it's a CD-ROM no wa ma lawyer for no bi wa ma judge for no bi e ti na de for no go faba wa say dabi ya ma nhwem no se hwem amake na to wu a obenya enra wo mu na ye wu papa tin sanka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so teacher mu
final question Sir John final question
bato enra asma Dr. Bawumia kai no ba ko me den say wo say sense someone yeba court na no ofa vote ya to ya bro so I say over vote no now for baby ya to no no verification no vote na ya oma your mama man go for 2 year ya for verification ambemo no wo kam ye nubo mu a e ma do mama onya 48.06% akufado ebe na 50.47% so ti no kwa free ma mi repe free mu a sa wo ti mi ansa free mu over voting no verification no and now for baby EC officials and woman sign signature almost AC so no a for the sense John Mahama ebenya 47.01% Nana Akufo ebenya 51.53%. It is a baby abesa biara Akufo be the president ebi ano ade na Edward Eche do mo become yeti ya go bi atintin ni tetia etibe de mani aje papa so na ba o mi ache chenchen musa no.
Sir John, final question na menim Babija for dinkomo benifo akire o madwin sa asem abi so rest edu nketia wo mo kire se ore koku ba ko akabi lawyer Samukudio to akabi ni mpanifo ahodo obi se yes entrofo na ade aye ne nye ye free court wa ehu hia se ebefre wo Sir John eni owura General Mosquito na ya tututu mano e wo sa asem e course wo ne san se munchire mu no ya na ensisi so ya na entrofrafra ya na ebi wo ha mo de mo amode akeka ka ho ne ade nti yes entrofo no sa ade ne ye nyae open so say anaso wadwen kire ne say
na enya na ehfo de nya no
What's it?
Obviously, for the Yano.
A lawyer for.
That's not me a lawyer. It's a business as my canoe. Your brother Chidia near Hoko or Kentemu. And for the force of one church to know what I Hoko watch it.
Now, Sir John, see the room, no idea.
But somebody has never chafona or books on Master Montiazo.
It's the idea.
It's the woman say. Namia Dominia Jaseria, Nakufado, a president of the Republic of Ghana. Wouldn't the one not Urabomia, Ediba, a bed of Papa.
This is the room, no idea.
Then now the 13 and much no, so a deba, Nana Akufado, a bad president, JDM, Obesifem, Nordian Guasia, Akoda.
Yo, Sir John, yeah, that's it. I don't pay. Could you address our research here, Papa? John Boyd is so hard on research here.
No one just your crowd. So that's I tell you, and this for Omabu, and then the woman who was any other time.
Yo, Sir John, yeah, that's it, Papa. Lawyer Kojo Sefri in common, and on so about my Ponsima, Ediana, so. But, O teacher in India or Chere ICT, or Wesley Girls High School, say, Min Church, CD-ROM, or say, a CD-ROM, pronoun, Achirimuha, is a pre-pressed compact disc which contains data. The name is an acronym which stands for Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. Computers can read CD-ROMs but cannot write on them. The space for playing a CD is called a CD drive. Into CD-ROM, no CD na ya di shemu no a utimi friend CD-ROM. Son of teacher ni person Ralph Edu Taylor, a teacher ni oche ICT or Wesley Girls High School. Yeah, that's Papa Amanfo Amohe. Now Charles Mensah so Truby from Sunyai explaining the same thing. Giffest, government ICT center now. And Timon say that say. Kojo Edu Asare, Swagger General, Swagger Papa, former MP, Dema Adenta. Kojo I'm watching. Yenya Penny John Buedu, aka JB Vandal, and a Power Night. Oh, JB Bekobi, in Bekobi. Akwaba, Deputy Communication Director at the Man New Patriot Fund. Welcome Power Night.
Sunday. I said, "I find a phone."
Vutron Panahonda. You. And before, and some no Ancasanesa, and court and some assembly bedi de home, ye mum ye need dim na yet me actual and ra me who TV to GTV na what to call to hobby. Yeah, now and some cost or now boat trinko ra a dress I so everywhere with TV so near dear. Don't want me shot in through so now. Maybe I some now crawl. Aqua bedroom. Minimum, no, now walk out to ono. CI, no, I think this is 74 years. Actually, say, Anka, 70 entrance to the Biada, could see Bidia. So, no, just a Tugubaka say, a gentle Monday. Nani Padro now, Junior Montanta, say, against the CI, no, and it's an money munchim, Semima, as I won't you.
You, me, that's which year it's here for no more machine. I'm say CI-74 and no a year about court rules a border on petitioner any citizen who have problem with presidential election away to media kono. Time omo ye no sebi ebin sida nti omo adwemu no saa no omo chro no especially uhwe CI ni year the most cardinal point they were raising is expediency. Say you be di asem no near din intem. But no one name say it is possible say ube to me any petitioner involve over 11,000, 12,000 polling stations. Issues involved no categories bro best 24. Who nailing it down best 6 categories. Be here say ube court sansem ni mu nyina. Now, one thing I mean, who was same way, caught the same way. Go for no omo essay. If you say, Oko court, that's a lawyer of one party, sorry can be na the other party oppose na judges say contrast no mu buya wia me gidi say anybody who want to do proper commentary will depend on the judge na buya no but you be trans na go for ka o chachu ka say munye ready ndi eno ni issue no na here discuss it as anything say obi raise objection na the other side no sorry tia na judge ni buya say objection no is overruled. Ubetie na ngofo ka na charge raise objection. Objection in the court is saying. Objection you overrule here. It is sometimes me who the ngofo I don't clearly see what people want. Maybe for propaganda sake, just to create impression say dear or something. Because look, in the courts objections are charge raise 22. Almost about 20 of them you rule against and so that's in a minute you start in a say here Osha and some court here response of the NDC and sometimes with the court you see a lot of them. For instance NDC for response they didn't say international observers almost say election a free and fair and no you can't court.
Tena affidavit.
Me say you can't court. Tena you can't court. Court na go can we are besero. Until who say Baumia lawyer ni lead Baumia in answering such a question. Judge Bako say masa we are more experienced that because this has nothing to do with whether irregularities, omissions. You see, here can no. We must be conscious of the fact say you reduce issues in to two. Two na anything. Say, and so election here, no, irregularities be mana, omissions be mana, ye niema ene ye mra no, ebo ebrana. Nanso, we nyina ye no, uka ni nyina aboma, ebenya effect, ewo verdict na afarijan no. So, it anon say, yes, say, because the court itself acknowledges, say, there will be irregularities. But the irregularities must be so much, say, affected.
You can't quantum and level.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Fantastic. But to bet here, you see, but me you see, the double into them. The issue is that we raised this one. There was overvoting. Okay, Kampoma. Ebenya effect on the election, the verdict. We issue say, there are a lot of places as against constitutional instrument 75 32 say there were a lot of places biometric verification and so okay Kamboma ebenya effect on the election. We raise the issue about say serial numbers you duplicating in there. These are the issues in question. For instance, I mean Tony later I just listened to the thing now. People were fell for it, mean the crowd follow for it, man. Okay, can't send me far about me and one Minjini Sena is proper. Don't mention because one, Ushe, number of polling stations are yeah, they at all court anymore. It was around 11,800 something. At the end of the day, you say you will prove 11,000. 38 something. Meaning about 600,000 we've abandoned it according to say abandon 600,000. Umu a lawyer munim wedwuma yi anka what you do is to insist say if I abandon.
Nti o person kire say near no na to liter no no. E can ya mo abandon no na.
Imagine say what has been abandoned is what you are asking. We will be questions that nyanza bedo. At the end of the day, why you fine? Why you propaganda fine?
This
is free. We're free, keke. But I don't want my brothers to fall into it, especially those who fall into it. No pass a comment via ABI. Yes, I the comments to Nenuma. Yeah, they are to justify what I would have expected because Nipanaka say you abandon Bino. You kicked against it, say in your umbra formally. Say, oh, amen. But eventually turned out, say, and I think that you should have known that, say, Nipano or they or say 100 no deba. If it turns out, say, document I may cry 80, and also can say change like 500 bra. And a law on one casa also new or kiki against lawyers no by judges never can say, oh, you're right on society evidence. Yeah. Oh, never just what a lawyer would do is to insist, say.
He found
free.
Then we can attack the evidence.
No, who say because the fact of the matter is that over one pink sheet, a possible say pink sheet no, there is an overvoting on that pink sheet. Same pink sheet no, between you say serial numbers a double on that same pink sheet. Same pink sheet no, between say there was no verification at the polling station. It is such a pink sheet, you know. Say, who categorize it now? Also, we are very, very careful. When you're all the 4 or 5, and one thing you must note, and me count near my baby, but the fact of the matter is that the main argument as to whether or not there's an overvoting in the polling station, the main argument say. Serial number is a double and a triple and a quadruple. The main argument say if there is no verification at the polling station, although we have examples of a lot of places there was no verification and overvote here court nankasa enrule. Inti one pink sheet. Na ekoto 4 categories ehin na ode beko.
Na ba say na omo parking yema na call no sa nyema nyina kopie.
It is important to do that. You don't know. It is important to do that because about 75% of irregularities serial numbers multiple, which includes overvoting, which includes no verification.
Or signatures.
Who didn't your friends double serial numbers? Say rule ye near say baby court na jia no baby overvoting now do pink sheet na akoshe serial numbers ahina benya. Will it have effect on the election? You may have won. Say baby overvoting no yeah the amount. But to make it because we do pink sheet in akoshe baby bro. Masa technicalities
Okay.
They can laugh, but they should not insult. Because about me accident, I believe say very, very low because people know Jina Hono. Pound the veteran. Near my film, Abrabo abo, and then the level of intelligence. I mean, Jini say, Obibe to me, Adam play. And look, Mammy Control, the kind of worker, Ako, sa Edumaya, Jina Court, no. So, especially say, when you start to say, who you may not even understand. Internet, some of these comments, man. Yaba Kwaba, Monday, Yaba Saba. If you set on the little bit, you don't cost when you're not wasting the time. But I want to assure everybody, say, your evidence are your crown, very solid. Your evidence are your crown, say, there was massive orchestrated irregularities effects our election so say court no come na ye agree on areas to look at me this a verdict no I am me to kra na me catch on
yo kojo me tie we em say watie nkomo no my funeral be sin ne anope anso watie mu yo wasakra wadwen won sem a enra okan o radio so ana oda so ginam edi bi ka ho ana
kaba mechia omo ehwe
wo joso
ne bia wa Ghana ne amanone a obi ahwe say the impression is being created and I had several calls, high profile calls from all shades of and I will want to reiterate my point. Na yehwe se ni ameka ye no ena amanfo antiase yi ana say somebody is trying to play me in on this one. Asema ameka ye me say for me obi a wanya accident encheye Abroswa yebe busumi. Ushe the car or team any the way you describe the accident no quite fast. I think say for such a person and say you didn't go through this grill. And everybody saw it, Enra. And that is the point. So for anybody to say, now kind of party say Nipako na doing ejuma na say because of accident to nya intino ultimately, I never said that. Because this Usha exercise of Firmu and then Nansani Enra and what he's going to go through subsequently, I thought somebody else should have done that job.
Because physically and mentally,
apart from that,
or prepared.
Apart from that, I feel say we share this elementary mistakes in kitting or admitting duplication and all of that, and putting it under the fact say a manual a beche. Until we have to adopt a different system. If you adopt a different system, then let that system, that one system take everything over. Why do you mix the two? So I'm a channel. I don't know you beja that part. It didn't make us say. See, when people run elections over and over, I say John Boedu. He's seen a lot of it, groundwork and so many other things. I mean, say but there are other people in NPP who could have done this job probably a lot better. Why do you put all that on that same person who has been through such a year and put him under pressure and all of that? That is the issue. Even person will be better maybe I can say and the say who say pressure no yeah too much man. Now they say you to me that's not what I'm saying. But going into the issues, say it's 7 day at TTBA. Niana make earlier. Duplication ibisa no. Nti saa we a wodi mienu abom abe. Emu ne ehe na yede ye no agi so say in all cases no. Baako and ebe count. Yede account ya calculations. So cross-examination, and none of other lawyers what it's expected to do. It is a cross-examination. You want to establish certain pattern to make sure say who are uti masema okano say who are consistent. Well, out of that they can derive whether you are telling the court the truth before any judgment is preferred on the issue. So nobody can lawyer back insert a particular partner yen cross examination. No one lawyer has one and as a prototype ye cross examination. As I say, Oba Oka A X Y D.
But Attorney Lita was insisting say on no cross examination to be new kwanzu rem.
That's the point. Exactly the point I'm making. Say you need say mold.
Just to prove say or a credible person.
Exactly. So there's no mold. I can say we you're trying to this shape into no na any shape na pepe and to home. You have to be versatile and find a way to get what you want to derive from the cross examination. For me, I think say it's early days. Nobody is being judgmental, or not. Some of us are not at this stage. I mean, person you be judgmental on the issue, but we are only to say now kind. We think say the MPP and OMO leadership. Like I said yesterday, I still think Bawumia is being unnecessarily pressured. And people, as a politician, I can also deduce in my own right what I see. What I say. And for me, I'm seeing, say, it is his political future which is being dispensed of. I mean, because if you push him too hard, now could give in.
What if they win?
No, I'm not saying they win. Everything will show. You know, I mean, why should I sit here and assume, sir? Let it happen, and then we can be, reality will set in for us. But for now, we also believe that this is a case that will not see the light of day. That is in our mind. That is what we are also hoping. Say, the light of day, because the Sunday and I came. Now John will come be say, as I say, lawyers ni bisa say, out of the 600 and so plus now, ye free muno. A moon ye hipana ye. But you should also know, say, if you know, say, what is 600 a free more. Adena ode nina ekogu court.
It's allowable. That's how
that's what I'm saying. Tactics. Any tactics. But the point I'm making is that when you go and push all of this down, now the friend saying, you can say copies. What 7 copies to the respondents? Now the respondents no and preparation to come and deal with the issues. Then you go back and say, me train and what train fine. Nobody is crying over that, but your credibility is at stake because before then, what did we hear? Everybody, almost 12 now, they did a media trial, trying to psych their members that they have a good case in court. And the Kokota, NFA, it's a good case with all those numbers. I will not be surprised, say, by the time a Monday, Tuesday, Beduno, 11,000, a subeti, Ababe, one. No, you see, so when we are talking about establishing credibility on this issue, that is what
nobody says once some can say, assume you say 12,000, they should stick to the 12,000.
Nobody say they should stick. They should have been truthful to their people. Members. Because they've created the impression to the members there is massive fraud, massive police stations, brain problems. Now the police stations have started with dwindling. That is the credibility issue. You don't just play Susan and say, John, he exam now. I heard then young paper now too. And that is totally beside the issue. You have told everybody that the whole the police station is 11,000. It forms a percentage.
Almost half.
It forms a percentage. So if that number starts coming down, as per your own, whether omissions or commissions, then what are you telling your people? That you didn't even do any proper research to arrive at those numbers. That is the issue. So you are flogging your own credibility by accepting that I haven't done a good job. I didn't make the kind of crown. Sebi. But Bosrem can be, and I have fina. Court had the Sebi. Yet me and camp Bosrem Kansem.
But you say, I've had no more, no. Senka, yes, and Kajaji didn't go release a Omutimio.
The Untia make Master. Judges read here. Omo say asemi omo next time I be court. Nanka ya can say me.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Tie me. And you say
they will sacrifice
no
quality and
what
law.
Is quality? They will want to they be wasting time. Almost share na be wasting time. They won't admit it. And they've given us that indication. Maybe almost share a day tawanta into I can't say like impediments ever to the expedition of this case more unnecessarily, they will want to move it away. Because if you want to litigate on this issue, how many days a bit in answer yati so for me, I think say do sobia credibility versus whatever they are doing now versus whatever they said before to their supporters to make them feel say some terrible thing has happened. Entina, yeah, they court. And now they are eating their own words one after the other. So you say 22 and now 23. Now, you understand? All of these technicalities are hitting them in the face. And now they are looking for ways to make things look. I my name look to say,
right.
Obi ena enti semwasi ye na ye technicality and can say court no a lawyer for no to me who say e bia ye technique bia technique saying. We ye technique.
John.
Me mama Odu sorry osu saying the
crying more than the baby.
The oye na say anything. He's so concerned about MPP supporters. Wait. They are all Troy, one Kasa. One Kasa NDC. They are more Troy the court. Sir, you're two Abano. Munya parliamentary seat more. As election. It has nothing to do with whether there are irregularities in the presidential election or not. It is useless. It is useless. Who are court wanka?
No, now you are a judge.
Finish?
No, now you are a judge.
Oh, Kasa, I just kept quiet and listen. Can you please? No. Court, their court, say it is within.
Can you please? So why are you judging this issue? Be careful. You don't go I'm telling you because this is an issue before court. But this is an issue before court.
We are careful. That
is what he's doing.
Oh, That
is exactly what he's doing.
Their court, say it is in the remit of the petitioners. Say obutume ya crowd say
ni court ebua make me comment what court has not determined you can't comment and correct him.
You are correct.
I was in court, judge ekachire your lawyer say sad thing about European Union useless. Court, the judge told council say
so let the court decide. No, you.
But what the meaning of this? References to your friends international observers. It doesn't count. One can say useless. Well, it doesn't count.
John Kynes is here. Not ever you read.
One kind be as
this one is on kind be.
John, what can we be over machine so?
Could you a problem, Papa? Oh, problem. Oh, no, CCI is more concerned about MPP and their supporters. You understand? Right. But no, me chano asemo no their cockot.
I am boy.
Oh. Until my ebuya ni na the ebuya pu ayakire say. Ade any correct
follow. The same things wrongly.
Kojo,
the same
Kojo,
things.
when you were speaking, you were making all kinds of fallacies. I just kept quiet.
Okay, go ahead.
Can't you, Mr. Oh,
go ahead.
Go ahead and just say, maybe.
But me person below me and son, you
yeah, contemptuous.
Now the court the rule put. Can I finish?
When the court
rules, can I finish?
What the court hasn't ruled.
Can I finish?
To
me say, enya kojo. Ene be kire yen de yenka ene de me yenka. Court near the assam ako. Yen you be determined, and I can assure you say the case need no more of evidence. It's overwhelming so much. Say
overwhelming.
This misbehavior, I don't think it's proper.
Brother, misbehavior. Why you be a studio?
I've been listening to you all this while.
Misbehavior.
Now, yet, Minjin is a doom round to quite a funnel. Whenever Friday,
no be shower has you see like
all kinds of
Fridays. No, now they move into some rema and boy.
Now I determine who your host.
No, I'm not the host, but at least I know what is within the confines of the law.
You know what is
this, Kakra, not for everything.
You.
But Kakra.
Now who needs say with their self-court, that is 11,000, that is 10,000. You understand? Who needs sang? I bet you say, you
that is a credibility problem.
Obasanjo, I say you win elections, the farmer. Udim San Kabe say, who win majority in parliamentary elections are presidential automatically also winning. Uwekasa. Unim San Kabe say, because that no gravity I say don't get the answer there. I say, oh, now MPP voice STLB, Oma Van Cockot. Please. And you talk about credibility. You talk about credibility. Their economy,
credibility there is on the floor right now.
Oh, but you don't even.
It's on the floor.
In terms of judging credibility, this is all bad. But the fact of the matter is that your court I want ruling. I mean, GD say they can't. About 22 challenges on my MPP and our petitioners, they win about 20 of them. Into Tiomo, now the lawyer kind or more kind there, and there as almost 3. You understand? I want to see the catch advice, so therefore come out on the later. Say, wasting the time. On proper way of cross-examining. I bet you effect man. Say, we are home dry. We are so happy about it. That is all. May the American say, your case I want to mean to about Ghana. Now say they are overvoting in other polling station. Other polling station there overvoting or her. Yen pencil. Yen to be out to about her. Nay law said there shall be biometric registration. To the extent said the presidential candidate of the NDC. Echo to about Boleno. Or since a biometric machine in Yejuma, yen jango for no montuaba. What kind of lawlessness is this?
Or see the EC should find ways.
What kind of lawlessness is this?
Thank God,
presiding officers Nankasa. Baby, I am to your verification on my church. We are waiting for the court. Now make us say the class of the general court. Argument as to whether or not the court is accepting. Say if there is overvoting, consistent with other overvoting in other areas. Argument as to where there's no verification, biometric verification, and look like and do it means you know the moment in now but they can't be crying more than us. You can't be determining what our party people are thinking. You know how your party people are thinking. Some of them are so appalled by the kind of comments you people are making. But I know I'm not if the NDC people are not happy, I know John Boyd and ourselves. But don't pretend as if say look at him talking about Baumia. It's me about Baumia and Koyeva go now.
Or say Senya Papano in Yan
doctor. Although doctor. On the better who need me diasem. Who need me diasem. Me may decide say me the weakest person akojina or to hold the offer.
Anka, you should be happy.
You should be happy, and he's talking as if say you see that.
But I'll say papa no ni sibia ne ni nyansa ni nimdi owo ne mo de ne koma yankasa mo kwa kuku no ne nani mo egu ase. It
has proven say sa Baumia no onye economist keke o de oye wo ho a obi a only legal background, only legal training, de oye wo ho no
inexperience no.
Oh, please. It is clear. Wow, ni me di asem there. Nka say me the weakest person ba. Also
inexperience na nyam na.
Honesty keke kra for ni Ghana ha. Say you must be honest to yourself. Say there won kan obwa.
I'm kai.
There won kan obwa.
But you're correct.
Do you now be tell me?
Oh, say the Philippines can say. Oh, inexperience in the dock.
So what are we talking about?
It's judge now. Judge now. For instance, in court they can say, oh, you are a layman. Judge no po e catch them say agwa we wa bro lawyer so.
Oh, say the edin bench.
I don't want it. Judge need to make us say nipa no jira ho wa bro lawyer so. Who are we NDC ni a we interested party no. Who na o chere say you yin film. Yen fa wo go jira ho. It means you can wish and hope all you can. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia has proven once more. Say who you running mate. Also you running mate. Na dwemu da ho. Neni da ho. Onim de. E ba critical a obetumi gina ho ama party no. Wo de aka say onya. Me nje ochim. The only difficulty I have with you is the dishonesty. I was saying ka we nije. Say many aje pa say nipa no nye. But who create impression say nipa no who mo nkra who pay asem saying here anka say ho. What kind of dishonesty is this? Oh, yeah, bro. What kind of dishonesty? What kind of dishonesty is this? It means But Dr. Bobla Wabon, when accident in a dream on yet. Whatever you want to explain.
Is that what I said?
I haven't said so because
You are
yesterday,
saying it.
Emra, and then I said, "I home your courts." And Emra, me home said that and from I receive a lot of text messages about the kind of thing. Maybe communication is not about what you think.
But so what kind of my joint line? Did you hear any such thing?
Me say, communication is not about just what you think you are saying. It is the
how
feedback.
it is carried. How it's carried
the
by
feedback
other
and
people.
so I think it is important as we move forward. It is important as we move forward.
Nana Boachi, Nana, your friend say, Nana Boachi. He tried to like I somehow kind of Chiano.
Try say you avoid some
No,
of
no,
those
and
things
the
because
communication you
because
can't
yes,
avoid
I
it.
can make catch you. So I dream double me at the 2 3
the training is different. Miss training is different. Ebia na me ye de be ma me say exactly. So please, that's the difference. Nobody has insulted him. Please, let me tell you, but let me tell you, I have. Let me keep quiet. I mean, come on.
You have great respect for him.
Massa, if you even check from my job online, I mean, my earlier, he said, this is a man who is in the pole position for any position in this country. Does that mean say Nadine Ejuma? Nadine Ejuma bet me I remark. Cocaine my job online story and I hear whatever I wrote there. The point I'm making is that you guys have somehow some ulterior issue here.
Oh,
let me go ahead.
Twasuna
now pushing me. John Kasa, second chance.
Second chance na media second chance na media
Master.
Second chance.
Assemble na me near John T studio ha. Ekekano February BC. Before say this case. Baby a yakwa kudu no. Ye kan ho asem betie the preamble Justice Atoguba how reportage near we all said I we've also read the petitions by the response about the idea. We don't want to go into them. Like you said, those that have been rule on them.
I know the
commenting. So but
you don't behave as if it has not been ruled over. You don't behave like that.
I don't know.
Say your ruler now come back speaking as if it has not been ruled over.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Now, I mean, when you are flat-dress is here, because I really don't get it. Any ruling can be discussed. Okay. But those that have not been ruled over yet, and what I make us say, we should try to stay away from them because you are trying to read from a NDC, responses are. They are to the ruling on them. That's the point I'm trying to make. Contempt
of court.
Exactly. That's all I'm trying to say. Number two, I also feel say this case, a case beer, at least it will from the pattern it's going. Even 1 week is a long time.
There's an end check.
No, Debbie. Like, this 1 week so far, it's been tedious. You can feel it. We shared the session because we're asking about say data.
Say 10 to 4.
City. I mean. Trust me, with all the papa you can't see international studio this for 6 hours, master. A bibe fainty. Do you understand? So for me, that is how I'm looking at it. Say nipa ejuma, and sometimes even though constitution I'm say in a certain way, Also what is proper. Well, in the spirit of near proper that is what you have to practice. Rather than say, you throw A to Z, A fringing, B fringing, as if it's not about human beings and all of that. Yesterday, we all saw, 2 days ago, we all saw the energy sapping nature. Well, we share TV no cry. I wonder if there's any one person who could sit behind in one chair and share proceedings for 2 hours. You be sorry, baby. One could Didia, Ubekwa Junso, one could Junso, you be sorry, up Peja Bibi, and now say, oh, Bibi trial. It's a tedious thing. Let's allow now Yanko introduce you another subject based on your constitution, your throne of Frenching, and I'm every day of the week, you know. Let's be careful we don't introduce some of these peripheral, I consider them to be peripheral issues. What is best? The people are involved. Lawyers it's all over. One-sided. Let's allow that human factor to also have its role.
Text messages quickly now. In Penifo to me Kotwa, when would you make so? John Bodrian Wangasa. Praise Jabin Chumose Kaba. You see, when the legal tactics went against them, I mean the NDC, Edwasa is now talking about credibility. Their lawyers first wanted to object to something which is within the normal court procedures. Now again, instead of their lawyers, they have they have asked the polling stations, they went ahead to ask questions, blah, 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 blah. Kaba, you can ask the MPP. Can you ask the MPP, where is Nana Akufo-Addo? Why is Bawumia acting as sacrificial lamb? We're from Good Morning, Kaba. In fact, please tell us, John, that if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the only hope for his party, then one more assemble the papa. I see Chiake. Adomako from Kranza and was any email. Another email. Jones is here to cover. Tell John Boedu was bad for the man. They know that they are not. Well, it is never true that the pink sheets being used by Tony Lita was not part of the pink sheet tendered in as evidence. You think that the judges would have allowed him to use those to waste time? And Hassan Mubarak, I'm very happy to see those who claim they are wise disgracing themselves in court. One, please tell John Boedu to see the point of President's lawyer. Whether those areas were abandoned or not, they should be put in different boxes of alleged irregularities. Bento from Wa and Odebra. Kaba tells John to desist from telling lies because answer me Obekai TV. So, Aboko Haruna, Sir John, any Masema Waka, see the room, Tino Kaba, it's better you avoid these MPP and these people. It's answer one mechanical credit fan today. Buy a lawyer for Kaba, I'm an MPP fan, ye and I hear some more court, but I think, says here, Dunkatia and some more Kano, and Yano Cre, Kosi Bandi, if you are palm, Eddie Ebre. And then text messages 1760 way free. Quickly. Kaba, I don't think your discussion on the election petition this morning is healthy at all. Let's know the parameters. We will not go into the substance of the matter. That's left to the court to do. Please tell Sir John, so Unia Simbia come, Mesrania on Kanano, and Tumkwame from Tamale, and Odebre, or say, Kaba, please ask Duasari not to talk in this case anymore, because I say, and some no can on so we need some more can. Kaba, I like Sir John, I like John Boedu as a personal friend. But I have my number, if a man, why? I'll say Kaba too many coup d'etats, they in your cosi, I hear a bit me the coup about a coup as a mere account. Thumbs up to Bawumia, he was fantastic yesterday. Kaba, please tell John Boedu say, or no, so. John, what can coup as a man there? So I don't know who is everything for never. Could you do as I should know that in court, every litigant has his strategy to outwit his opponent, and the MPP is just doing that to confuse the NDC lawyers. If they are smart, they will get it. Tally from Tolong and Odi Freed by John Boedu. What you say, and pay Wankasa, you are a well-read person. God has chosen you. One day you'll be president. Yeah, Sapo in Kumasi. Say, John Boedu, you said Duasari insulted Bawumia, but you too, you are saying that what Tony Lita was doing, Nyansen him. you know, also insulting position in Obuasi and on the brain. The irony of the MPP's case is that though the police stations have reduced, the percentage still remains the same. Okasa can send him.
Paraphrasing.
Paraphrasing.
More paraphrasing and direct.
Direct quotation. They say didn't from our.
How do we have a problem? Even I said that I was quickly.
Bash from Tamale. I personally heard Edua Sari saying on your station yesterday that the Baumia show, that the poor show of Baumia is as a result of the accident he suffered. So on kind of crack. Now, Kaba, this is a diabolic plan by the MPP to end Baumia's political career. But inshallah, he will sail through. Karim Abela from Kansas and the water. But before your time, I so quickly, wrap you up on this one. John, say you point 8:30 say and Friday, Friday open but actually how do PR you dey better your viewers
joy if say you multi TV or match there
actually no
you say multi TV or match there
actually na sisi we fridge home theater
video count.
That's a woonya viewer. No. Because when you viewer asking on what John, Yamani Tofa, yes, President Mahama score B+ by Ghana Development Center policy think tank. And other matters arising. Two minutes in your time.
Because we share our analysis on here. So, who score F in areas of sanitation and job creation? Job creation itself, no, show how weak the economy is. How weak companies are performing, how unreliable a lot of other sectors is making the economy not performing in terms of interest rate, also in terms of power unreliability and all. How do you come back and say it's any panenya B+? So, yes, they are not credible. But I will have
that's what you've said.
No,
so
because minimum
the
first
final analysis is that they are free.
Yes.
You understand? So
because you can't have
think tank, and you'll be on a radio. Your friend say,
what
your radio think tanks.
What you're doing?
No,
what you have Bonipa Bako,
radio think tanks.
That be a show. What you have Bonipa Bako was a think tank. Nipa baako din.
Quick,
because my analysis now, Chairman say, government they failing poorly on your F in sanitation. Sanitation affects your health. You can understand? How on earth can you come back to say Nipa nenya B+ as anything in this? President Nankasa catching say,
contradicting yourself.
Oh, assembly and cry and you do
contradicting. You want breath, one credible can say.
Because I don't know them.
At the same time, you are rubbishing everything they said. So
I'm rubbishing based on their own criteria we use here. For instance, I mean,
and then now you are saying say one can say
because I don't know them in the first place. So nobody should get a wrong impression. They may kind of say based on their own criteria, no. It means say Juma Maya na no eshi, enye Juma pa, because you can't say if say one can say sanitation, job creation, or manyadia. Umo B+.
Did you speak to them?
Joy FM did. I didn't.
We minimum.
Before you chose it as a subject for discussion, probably in Kasasa from now be some parameters and the methodology. Yeah, so that we don't come and sit here and rub something we don't even understand.
No, because Ochina Edwasa Obetra studio near say John Boedo think tank on let's say motor industry. First of all,
only expertise.
Right.
That's
Doesn't
the
mean
amount
you can't
of
have-
no.
you can't have people.
You
can't hire people to do that job.
You don't need to go for that.
It doesn't mean he can't hire people to do that job.
Well, of course, that's also true.
And no, it's not enough. It's not enough. But me kokase accelerator, or the left side of the breaker.
Me pharmacist. I'm not a pharmacist, but I have an NGO that is doing pharmacovigilance, and it is because I have people who do that. That is my better high pharmacy. But there are people hired to do it.
Accelerator, or the left side of the brake of a car.
I don't know who needs expertise.
So, a bit of working. Emma made out to the actually.
John, okay, me who need team who say onye moto expert na say uko buy baby business wise and now say BB and now say advocacy be now set it up. What you do is you employ the services of
and
somebody
give correct prescription.
Exactly. Then you don't have to be a mouthpiece.
Fantastic.
What you say nti wo a wonni mu no won kasa accelerator share baby for exactly. That is what you
left
think.
Side of
Say I think that Kaba and producers in this particular you did not set the right foundation on which we can discuss this matter. The parameters use your methodology anyhow they arrived at this sample all of it together. Nanka based on that, when we are here, we will not come and rubbish or maybe overblow. And now be some question here. Now me person me answer a radio think tank name radio pepping up your mouth pep up kakra be beginning afro now I kasa be afro. Wait for these people to also have that same platform to start talking very soon. Exactly. So for me you can't say you just because you read 10-line article on them. It doesn't matter until others now who work a cutting tank and they are bomb until they surfaced and started talking you on radio that where did they come from? So please allow people let me go on the substantive issue. I think in the first place, survey in particular, in my personal capacity, personal opinion, some of the parameters are setting, governance, job creation, blah, blah, blah. Please, in 100 days, when you don't have the full complement of your ministers and other in place, I don't think this is something we should, some of the year I say, useful for sampling that or arriving at that. That is my personal opinion on this particular. It is not to rubbish whatever they are doing, meaning basis, but I'm saying, I'm not saying it for you. The difference here is that you don't know them. Do you understand? And not knowing them does not, Manu say, because it doesn't mean they didn't exist. Because I don't know them or you don't know them. That is the difference of departure from what you said and what I'm saying. But of course, I feel say in 100 days, you should have looked at budget crash, full complement of the government's machinery in place, and so on and so forth, to address the concerns on health, on sanitation, and all these other things. Thank you.
John Buedu, Deputy Communication Director, New Patriotic Party. So say. Chief Executive of
my favorite quote.
Yeah, Philippians 4:8.
In his time.
In
his time, he makes all things beautiful.
And I'm making. In his time, he makes everything beautiful. And Philippians 4:8 so whatever is true, whatever is pure, whatever is noble. Multi TV buy and win promotion and achede that the achede be ma one more wɔn ɛtɔ digit boxes na wɔn send your serial numbers to 1757 na afei yɛde ɛho nkɔmmɔdie ni aka de brɛ nti yɛda ne ho aba na sɛ yɛde saa nkɔmmɔdie yɛde abrɛ yɛda ase yɛba sisi a